Laser is one of the most common minimally invasive procedures that are performed for relief of the symptoms that are associated with BPH. The effects of this procedure are very similar to those that are achieved with the more traditional TURP, but is associated with fewer side effects, shorter periods of catheterization, quicker recovery, and no need for hospitalization. In essence, the effects of the laser can easily be compared to removing the pulp of an orange and leaving the rind behind. We advise you to do a bit of research yourself before you buy any treatment for enlarged prostate. If you're looking for a natural treatment to shrink enlarged prostate naturally and quickly, we recommend you to check out Vigarix before you buy any treatment. Vigarix combines the nature's most powerful herbs that relieve enlarged prostate symptoms naturally and quickly, all without the devastating side effects of drugs. Visit Vigarix now at www.vigarix.com.